Hello guys and welcome back to another Hunters Prestige gathering video. On today's video we're going to run you through all the new and exciting products that we're going to be bringing out shortly. We're also going to be talking you through our new website and how all the improvements are going to make your shopping experience a little bit more improved. We're also going to be talking about a potential event which we may be hosting towards the end of summer. So stick tuned to the rest of this video and you'll find out more. Run the VT. So there is a potential that Hunters Prestige will be running an event towards the end of summer 2025. Our idea is to have anything and everything Defender at one place for everyone to enjoy. We're thinking of running an event and inviting all of our trade customers to showcase all of their products and different services they have available for new Defenders. Also, it gives the opportunity for customers to bring their Defenders to us and show the world all the different things that we've done to them and also different modifications that other people may not have thought about before. There'll be live music, food and facilities for everyone to enjoy, and we want to hear your feedback. Let us know in the comment section below if you'll be interested in coming, and also if you're a trade customer watching this video, if there's a possibility that you want to come and actually host at the event. Let us know in the comment sections below, and we're excited for this possibility. So we've been doing lots of R&D here at Hunters Prestige and also listening to a lot of customer feedback, which has heavily influenced some of our new products and also products which are new and already listed on our website. One of these products is a current existing product, which is the new front and rear bumper pack, which we fabricate ourselves. We've looked at the difference between the Europe and also the North American spec bumper packs and noticed that there is a slight difference. So if you have a tow bar fitted or a hitch, as they say in America, on your vehicle, the rear bumper will be slightly different. The lower moulding on this will actually have enough clearance to allow your different tow hitch to actually retract, or if it's a fixed one, it is also different in North America. So we've actually changed our pack slightly on our website to allow for the North American spec hitch. So obviously if you're a European customer, you'd still pick a European spec bumper, so with tow bar or without, but if you're in North America, there is now a specific product to select. Earlier on this year, we released a video where we showcased the difference between our new generation easy fit mud flaps, where basically we're trying to make it as simple and easy for you to fit them at home so there's less hassle. So the difference between our easy fit mud flaps and the genuine Land Rovers is they actually use the existing clips and actually have self tappers. So you don't have to open up your weather shield in your rear arch and then actually bolt them inside the quarter panel. So these are nice and easier to do. We actually done a short video within one of our Hunters gathering videos, or Habitat maybe, where we just talked about the overview of the longer versions that we have in stock. We call them the topographic. And so these are slightly smaller to the OEM mud flaps, which allow better for off-roading to stop any clearance on any rocks. And we've just released different variations, which is also following the OEM look. So these are the modern ones. So we do these in matte, and we've also just listed them in gloss black. They're not currently live on the website just yet, but get in contact with our sales team if you're interested in the modern mud flaps. And also, what do you prefer? The modern sleek looking ones or the long classic? For a long time now, we've been getting a lot of questions and emails regarding the exhaust tips for P400E and also if we can do quad exhausts on a diesel. So we're still looking into this, and currently we're still in production of coming up with an idea of how to actually do this. So we've come up with the diesel alternatives to have quad exhaust. So obviously on the diesels, you do only have two exits on the left-hand side of the exhaust. So we're looking at actually producing different quads. So they're going to be a blank plate that goes on the right hand side of the vehicle, which acts like a fake exhaust, and it gives you the effect of a V8. And for the P400 and P300 exhaust tips, these are still in production unfortunately, but we are looking at finalising these shortly after some minor adjustments. We've also made an adjustment to our exhaust shields as well. So these are to accommodate our new exhaust tips and add a little bit better styling to your vehicle. This covers up more of your exhaust shield and has a different design compared to our previous generation. Spoiler alert, we've also added more colours to our spoiler inventory list. Now, the colour-coded spoilers have gone down an absolute treat since new colours have been introduced for the new Defenders. One of them is the Sedona Red, which you would have seen featured in one of our previous videos. If you haven't seen that, that video is just up here. So we've just added different colour variants to our V1 spoilers in the form of Hakuba Silver and also the 75th anniversary Grassmere Green. These are available to purchase on our website, and if you have different colours on your car, get in contact with us for different variants. Our interior bolts have also gone down a treat, where we've also added a different colour variant on our website for the interior bolt kit. These are a really quick and easy way to dress up the interior of your car, and they're so simple to do. Get in contact with us if you guys are interested in this product, or if you have a colour preference you'd like to see in the inside of your Defender. As we said at the start of our video, our customer base here at Hunters is actually the majority base in the US. Because of that, 130 vehicles are very popular. A lot of customers have been getting in contact with us asking if we're ever going to do the 130 wheel arches. After some testing, we can now confirm that the 130 extended gloss black arches are available to purchase on our website. Now, the main difference between the 110 and the 130 wheel arches is the rear of the 130 is a lot longer. Because of this, the wheel arch is slightly different, and it may appear on our website that they look very similar for the 110 and the 130. So make sure to click your correct variant before purchasing. Now, these don't currently include the lights, but we do have another moulding currently being processed to allow for the lights for the North American spec. But you can still fit these 130 arches to your North American spec vehicle for a sleek look. Now, we do only have limited stock of these available, and they're very popular. So if you're interested in these, get them in the basket today. We also have a new style of extended wheel arches, which are a little bit more sporty and a little bit more rugged looking, which are also available on our website. We're proud to say that we've now finalised our new variation of our LED boot light, which is our V3. Now, this has different functions available for the boot light, which includes different colour options and also a dimmable function for camping. This allows for the bugs to stay away from your car because they love white light, and you can add an orange tinge, which you would have seen featured on our socials. This can also be switched off as comparison to our previous light, which is always on when you open the boot. You can actually turn it off with the wireless remote we supply, and if you're sleeping in the vehicle, it's nice and handy to have it as a remote. We've just added some new DRLs to our website, which you may have seen featured in some of our previous videos. These are a nice styling accessory to add a little bit of light into your vehicle, and also makes them look a little bit more rugged and dynamic. Now, the reason we've not sold these before is due to the fact that they're very complicated to fit, and you actually need to remove the bumper to install these. So what we wanted to do was release the video on how to remove your front bumper first before we provided this as a product. These add DRL functions to your vehicle if you don't already have factory fitted fog lights or DRL to your vehicle. Now, we have two different variations of these available, so you have them with fog lights or without fog lights. With fog lights, if you're already currently fitted with DRLs or fog lights, these are cross compatible and they're very simple. You literally plug in and play. Now, if you don't have factory fitted fog lights, we do supply the wiring to now have this function available. Obviously, they won't work as DRLs or fog lights and turn on and off, but it can mimic a DRL on your vehicle. We've just added two new variations to our bonnet inserts and also our side vents. Now, these are carbon effect, and please note they are not dry carbon fibre, they are carbon dipped. These are for a more sporty look, but without a high price tag. It's good to know that our side vents are a flush fit, which don't require any tape or silicone. You just supply with the clips, and it's nice and easy, pop in, pop out. We also did a bonnet insert fitment video on our YouTube channel, which explains the difference between our bonnet inserts compared to others on the market and why we think this is a more superior product. So head over to our website where you can pre-order and purchase all the products featured in today's video. We mainly redesigned our website after customer feedback, who wanted a simpler website that was easy to navigate. So we've added loads of new functions on there, such as product filters and also availability. So head over to our website, and if you've got any feedback for us, everything is appreciated. We're currently running a promotion, which is our golden ticket. We've hidden 10 golden tickets into products where you can win £500 off your next order. All you need to do is head over to our website, add a product to your basket, and when it arrives, look inside the box. Still 8 tickets available, so the lucky winner might be you. So that is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you're interested in some of the products you've seen featured. If you've got any questions, get in contact with us with all of our details in the description, or drop us a comment in the section below. If you've got any other inquiries, please get in contact with us, as all feedback is welcome. See you on the next video. More energy, more questions. Just need to fart. Woo, that is bad. That's like Tristan's egg bad. I don't really know where I'm going with this. Ahoy there. That's that V8 sound, isn't it? Proper sick, man.
And that's what your car can sound like.
That's what your car can sound like for £3,252. Experience a lot more easier, and we did this to make your shopping experience more easier, to make you easier shipping. Yeah. That still had different options. I don't really know. My name's George, and I'll see you on the next video.